Alimony, maintenance, spousal support, what does it all mean? Alimony, spousal maintenance, and spousal support mean the same thing and are used interchangeably. This is when one spouse has to pay the other spouse, usually monthly, for their support. Either spouse can request spousal support. However, the court can only award support to the spouse who does not have enough property at the time of divorce to provide for their basic needs. Furthermore, every state has rules regarding eligibility to receive spousal support. Thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Also, if you live in Texas and would like a free kit to do your own divorce, please check the description box below to sign up.